Welcome to my channel Tech Notes. And guys, as we know, we are learning WordPress with easy and basic tutorial. And as we discussed before about how to create WordPress and how to set up WordPress, previous two videos. And today we will learn how to create a new post in WordPress. And guys, if you are new to my channel, so this is the series for WordPress learning basic to advanced. So guys, if you are new, so check my description link and you can visit and you can watch my two previous video about creating a new WordPress website. Now today in this video we will cover topic how to create a new post properly in WordPress. So open your WordPress site, type WordPress, and open wordpress.com official link, and never use another third party. Every time you check, so check official link for every company like google.com, youtube.com, facebook.com, or wordpress.com. Now guys, just click on get started, and in this time you need to sign in, not sign up, because we created before our site. So just we need sign in with our email and password, and it will auto will catch you, and you will see interface for your WordPress website dashboard. So click on back to my site, and please guys support my channel. You will find all related Windows, MS Word, Excel videos, and hopefully you will learn something new every time. So guys, we are talking about how to create a new post. So once you sign in your WordPress, click on this posts and click on add new. Sometimes it will take some time as your computer and laptop is speed. And guys, it's most important you learn properly how to post. I'm looking so much websites and their article, but we can see so much mistake their article, no proper heading, no proper title. And guys, if you make 100 or 1,000 posts without properly, so you will not get any visitor to your site. So you need to learn SEO, search engine optimization. It's called search engine optimization. And once you follow my old tutorials and videos, so guys, in some and few days your site will be run like a rocket. So add your title here, like how to create a new post. For example, like your post and article title. So type it. Now click on this plus icon. So here you will see some more options like paragraph, image, heading, gallery, lists, and quotes. And once you browse all, so much features you will get. Look here. In paragraph you can type article, heading you can make heading 1, 2, 3 as you need, And lists, like you are creating some shopping article, so you need a feature for list, so you can use it. Quote, in most of poem we can see some popular quote, so we can quote it. You can show some code, and guys, here you will see a preview. Look here, once you paragraph, so like you can make a paragraph like this, and in heading and list, once you hover, so you will see a preview. So like you want to make a list, so select it and edit quote, and you want to see all things like paragraph, so select it, just you need to select, click again and select paragraph. So now type your paragraph here. So guys, here type your article and paragraph. I am just typing some letters, you can type your article. Now press enter. Okay, so again click on this, so here you can type any article paragraph. Again press here and you want to insert image, so click image, upload or select image. If you have in your PC, so select any image. I have some images, so you can replace. It's means you can change image, you can crop your image here, so you don't need to any another photo editor, you can crop here from. Now again click on this block, and like you need to type any list, so click here, press enter. So you will see list, and before guys you need any heading, so move your cursor here between, so you will see this plus icon, click on it and select heading, type your heading like list. You can change your heading like heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. Similarly here you can make any heading, so select heading. So this is your title and heading, article, images, list. I will show you all things what you can do and what you can insert, like quote, add your quote here. So you will see this quote format. Gallery, you can show some images, so upload. Now this time you select some images, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 images. I will select all and open. So people can access all images like gallery. It's looking good. So guys, you can upload a video or you can insert URL like any YouTube videos. So open YouTube, open your desired channel. So guys, it will take so much time. So we will continue this topic how to create a new post in WordPress properly in our fourth video lesson. So stay tuned and continue support to my channel. Please subscribe and share your all friends. So hopefully guys you like these all videos, and if you have any suggestion required or any query, so please comment. I will try to answer. Thanks for watching. Please check my own this tutorial series videos.